Hi guys, here is how you can check the responsive for your WordPress website. Let me quickly open our demo site. So this site looks good, but we want to check how it appears on other devices. For that, you can use the Google Default Inspect tool. Right-click and click on Inspect, and click here. And you can check. You can find a few devices here too, and you can check accordingly. Alternatively, there is another extension we use. For that, Google Mobile Simulator Chrome extension. This is the one. Click on it. Add to Chrome. Add extension. It is done. So the extension has been added. Let me pin this. Let me close this. Now if I click here, you can see devices on various devices. Click here to see more options. Some of them, however, are paid features. Simply click on the icons to see how your website will appear. You can check on tablets, Android devices, and more to give it a try and see how it looks. Thank you very much.